Hey besties, welcome back to my kitchen space. Today I'm going to teach you how to make OfeNsala soup the Igbo way. This rich and flavorful delicacy is perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. You are going to enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more exciting recipes. So this is my chicken, my catfish, Utazi, and this is my blended crayfish and my Nsala spice, my Abanaro pepper, my thickener, and this is my seasoning cube, my salt, and my favorite G spice. First, we are going to start by adding our chicken into a pot. Next, we will season it with seasoning cubes, salt, and our G spice. Give it a good stir. Cover the pot and let it cook, allowing the chicken to release its natural juice. After about 3 minutes, the chicken has released its natural juices. Now we will add 3 cups of water and let the meat cook thoroughly until it is tender. After about 7 minutes, our meat is fully cooked. Now I'm going to add our yam thickener and let it boil for another 3 minutes until the soup starts to thicken. Now that our soup has thickened, it's time to add our Abanaro pepper, our blended crayfish, Nsala spice, catfish and Utazi leaf. After that, I'll taste for salt and add a little more if needed. Then finally, I'll give it a good stir and let it cook for another 4 minutes to bring all the flavors together. After 4 minutes, our delicious OfeNsala is ready. The rich aroma is irresistible and the flavors have come together beautifully. Now I will turn off the heat and serve it hot with some soft fluffy pounded yam or fufu. You can serve this delicious OfeNsala to your in-laws, your guests or anyone special. It is the perfect soup for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering or a special celebration. This dish is sure to impress. Enjoy your homemade Igbo style OfeNsala, and do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.